Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll be doing another example of the Bernoulli and binomial random variables and probability. Jacob has a stressful day with probability of 0.7. At any given day, he has a stressful day independently of the other days that happened. Jacob had more than 3 stressful days. What is the probability that he had at least one non-stressful day? This is another example of a binomial random variables. So to recall, let me write down the binomial random variables formula. It would be the probability of x is equal to I is equal to choose ni times pi 1 minus p n minus I, where I is equal to 0, 1 all the way to n. This is a binomial random variable with parameters 7/0.7. In other words, n is equal to 7 and p is equal to 0.7. And let x be the number of stressful days. So we can figure out the conditional probability. So in other words, this would be the probability that x is less than or equal to 6 given that x is greater than 3, which is really just the probability between 0 and 6 and 4 and 7. So I can write as probability of AB is equal to probability of AB times probability of B. So let me figure out the probability of 0 between 6 given 4 between 7. And this would equal the probability of 4 between 6 over the probability of 4 between 7. So for the numerator, I would do probability between 4 and 6 would be equal to the probability of x is equal to 4 plus the probability of x is equal to 5 plus the probability of x is equal to 6. This is just 7/4 times 0.7 to the 4th times 0.3 to the 3rd plus 7/5 times 0.7, 0.3 plus 7/6 times 0.7 times 0.3. Simplify from here, we get the probability of 4 between 6. This would be 0.7916. And now let me work with the denominator, the probability of 4 between 7. And that's really just probability of 4 between 6 plus p of x equal to 7. And we already figured out what probability of x between 4 and 6 is. It's 0.7916 plus 7, choose 7 times 0.7 times 0.3. And this would just equal 0.8739. So we figure out the probability of x is between 4 and 6, and x is between 4 and 7. So all we do is figure out the numerator and denominator. And this would be 0.9058. In other words, 90.58%. So the probability that Jacob had at least one non-stressful day, given that he had strictly more than 3 good days, is 90.58%. And this is another example of a Bernoulli's and binomial random variables problem in probability.